Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Mark Honeycutt, the CEO of a company called Maximus. Thanks for joining us, Mark.
Good to be here. Thanks for having me.
Well, Maximus sounds like a big company. Tell us a little background about it.
Sure. Well, Maximus actually is the brand of our lighting business. So we've got a full-blown lighting business, commercial lighting business, residential, for LED products, both smart and non-smart. And about 4 years ago, we launched our first smart home product and have really focused that as our main growth category moving forward. So, and again, because we have a lighting background, we've really done a nice job of integrating smart home technology with camera and motion sensor and control into our light fixtures. So that's sort of the gist or the background of Maximus Lighting and our smart home products.
And now at the Consumer Electronics Show, you're moving into a new but related category, video doorbells, and it's getting to be a pretty crowded space. So you've tried to do something a little unique here, it looks like.
Yeah, obviously. And if you read the product reviews on our other products that are in the market, we basically have porch lights and floodlights, both with camera. Our goal is to provide better product, better performing product, better platform than our competitors, a better user experience with our app, and so forth. And to your question, at the huge demand from our current customers. They're asking for two things beyond outdoor lighting, which is where we focus up until now. They've asked for, hey, you guys are great at outdoor lighting with camera. Well, how about a doorbell and how about an indoor camera? So, we're basically responding to huge demand from our customers to sort of have the full complement of cameras for outside the house, inside the house, and doorbell. So yes, so we're releasing at CES. We're launching and announcing to the world our newest product for our platform, and it's called Answer. And it is a state-of-the-art video doorbell with, and I can get into all the details if you'd like, but it is a market changer because it's going to have capabilities and features that just don't exist in that crowded space, yet. So. We've pretty much, kind of leapfrogged the whole industry with this new product.
So tell us about those features.
Yeah, so the main thing is we're using Ambarella, and they've given us permission to use their name, but Ambarella is a chip manufacturer for camera. They're, anyone that knows this category knows Ambarella is they're the Cadillac of the industry in terms of camera chip. We're using their newest chip, and it does support dual cameras. So we've got the forward-facing camera, which our competitors have as well, but we also have a downward-facing camera as well. So we have a full 180-degree field of vision with no blind spots. So the way it works is when you're viewing the camera live or watching a pre-recorded video, it streams simultaneously both cameras, and of course, and if you want to, again, you can maneuver inside that to do picture-in-a-picture or make one bigger or smaller or whatever. You have at your disposal now two cameras instead of one when you're viewing viewing the doorbell.
Very interesting. And so, if you want to keep an eye on, say, packages that are on the ground in front of the door, that kind of thing, one of the cameras is going to be focused on that.
Yes. Yeah, so you basically can see when you see the demo of the product, if you have a package and it can be as close to the door as you want or the porch as you want, it views from the door about 5 feet both directions. So it shows you the entire viewing area of your porch or wherever your front door would be, and in both sides and forward. So there's no blind spots. Whether it's a package or it's pets or children or whatever, anything down below that, it has full visibility of. We're also adding a package mode to our platform. So you'll be able to use artificial intelligence, AI, to know when the package is there, and then you can actually turn on package mode, which will allow you to actually make the doorbell behave differently once the package is there to sort of protect that package. For example, you can say set the alarm when it sees motion. So if someone comes up to your door, if you have this turned on, the alarm can go off so no one would take your package. So there's different things you can do once you turn on or initiate package mode.
Are you also tying in with other smart home equipment, speakers, screens, etc.?
Sure. All of our products work with the Google platform as well as the Alexa or Amazon platform. So all of our products are integrated with Google. In fact, at the show you'll see that we'll have the Echo Show set up. We'll have the Dot set up. We'll have Google Hub. We'll have the Google Mini. Well, all those will be in our booth, and you'll be able to actually yourself go over to one of those devices and control our products with those two platforms in addition to our platform.
Very cool. Now, tell us what you can about availability and pricing.
Well, I mean, the product will be shipping in late March from, obviously from overseas. It'll arrive in our warehouse by end of April, and will be in major retailers sometime mid-May. That's sort of the rough timeline on it. We'll also have it available in our U.S. distribution center for the e-commerce platforms by early May. So say May 1st is probably a launch with product. Pricing will be, the two products we compete with obviously are the Ring Pro product and also the Nest Hello. Those products are roughly $229, $249 retail. We expect our everyday retail to be somewhere between $179 and $189. So again, we believe we're going to have a far better product than is in the market today at a lower retail price. So I think we'd like to be every day $179, $189, and that's sort of our goal. And of course, we'd be on promo lower than that when the retailers go out with promotional pricing.
Really interesting. And as you mentioned, you've got a lot of other products. Where can people go to take a look?
Yeah, so our main two products, which is the camera porch light, which comes in different styles and finishes, and then our other product, which is the camera floodlight, which comes in black and white. The main retailers that carry those products are Costco, Lowe's, and Home Depot, and they're in stores as well as on their .com platforms, and of course Amazon carries all the products as well, as do many other. There's probably about 25 e-tailers that carry the products on their websites.
Terrific.
And the reviews are quite good. I tell consumers all the time, read the reviews. We have phenomenal reviews, 4.0, 4.3, 4.5. I mean, our reviews are fantastic. On all the e-commerce platforms, they're really good. And it's interesting, even that some of the consumers will actually write about the products that they removed to put our products up and how much happier they are with our products.
Great stuff. And again, something to look forward to. It's called the Maximus Answer Dual Cam Video Doorbell, arriving this spring. Mark Honeycutt, thanks for taking the time with us.
Absolutely.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. Listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.